Veterans, especially those served in the United States Navy, have historically faced a higher risk of asbestos exposure because asbestos was widely used in military ships and facilities for much of the 20th century. If you served aboard a Navy vessel, worked in a shipyard, or maintained equipment below deck, you may have spent years in environments where asbestos-containing materials were common. Asbestos was valued because it resisted heat, fire, and corrosion. It was commonly found in pipe insulation, boiler rooms, engine rooms, pumps, valves, gaskets, turbines, and other equipment throughout the Navy ships. Sailors, machinists, boiler technicians, pipe fitters, electricians, and shipyard workers could be exposed when these materials were installed, repaired, or removed. Even veterans who did not directly handle asbestos may have inhaled airborne fibers released through routine maintenance in confined spaces. One of the challenges with asbestos-related diseases, such as mesothelioma, is that symptoms often do not occur until 20, 30, 40, or even 50 years after exposure. As a result, many veterans are only now receiving diagnosis tied to service decades ago. From a legal perspective, veterans diagnosed with mesothelioma may have several potential avenues for compensation. While lawsuits generally are not brought against the federal government for military asbestos exposure itself, many claims involve the manufacturers that supplied asbestos-containing products to the military. In addition, eligible veterans may qualify for Department of Veterans Affairs disability compensation and health care benefits related to service-connected asbestos exposure. Every case is different, and eligibility depends on the specific facts, including military service history, occupational exposure, and medical diagnosis. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with mesothelioma after military service, contact our firm for a free mesothelioma case review. We'll help you understand your legal options and discuss whether you may be entitled to compensation with no obligation and no guarantee of any particular outcome.